Hello friends, in part 2 of chapter 7 Settlements and Migrations, we have discussed about the Vizag city, about the getting the settlements over there and its history and its development. Now, if you look at the history of Visakhapatnam or Vizag, many rulers have ruled it and they have established a culture over there and a systematic pattern over there. Being very close to eastern part and southern part, it acts as a link between these two regions. It has been very well developed and well connected region, not only through water but by air and by rain. This is one of the reasons why Vizag is in the fast development track. Now let's talk about villages. Coming to villages, how do villages get popular of regions of settlement? Like when a village is connected by the other nearby villages, or it is a center for markets and all these things, we get the farmers coming from one place to another place, that is from one village to another village where the village market is organized. Here we get the connectivity between them, we get the transport facilities between them. Because of this, many of the people wish and settle there in a particular region so that they can go for their betterment of their lives. This is the reason why villages get settled. But at the same time, how the settlements get organized? For example, when you think of a village, we have primary health care center, that is PHC. When we can get treatment, where we can get treatment for coldness, fever, illness, and we can get done blood test and some small first aid. When it comes to for an operation, MRI scan or CT scan, it is not available there in PHC centers. So we have to definitely go to cities. Here we have to move from one place to another place, that is from villages to cities. Many well organized and equipment are available to get the treatment done in cities, because many corporate hospitals are there in cities. So the people would like to wish and settle at a place where you have the opportunity when an issue arises for you to address it or get it done. So the villages where you are having only PHC centers do not be in the interest for the people to go and settle there, because if you look at the villages, we doesn't have the basic amenities also over there. But if you look at the cities, we have major amenities to get done easily. So nowadays people are getting interest to settle in cities rather than in villages. So people today are moving from villages to cities and getting settled there. This is also can be a reason why the people are moving in and settling from one place to another place, especially from villages to cities. Thank you friends. Let's continue in the next session.